Hey guys, I wanted to take a second and show you some of the features of the collapsible fishing net, as well as talk a little bit about how to unfold and fold it back up. When you get it, it's going to come to you folded up like this. To unfold, hold the net nice and secure with your hand, reach up with your thumb, pull back, and that net will pop open. Now obviously you want to keep this away from your face or other people's faces as this is popping open. It's a stainless steel spring that is here, so just make sure that it is open nice and safely away from other people. One of the nice things about this though is you can do it with one hand. So with your fishing hook, or rather with your fishing rod in the other hand, fish on the line, you can pop this open one-handed, get that in, open it up. If you're catching a lot of fish and you don't want to collapse this net every single time, you can wrap the leather strap around the handle, snap one of the snaps into the button, and keep it open while you store it on your sheath. This net will work in either direction, so either way, however you pull this off, this net will continue to work just fine to pull fish out of the water. If you do want to collapse it, either between your catches or if you're going to be moving to another spot on the water, here's how I like to do that. I take the net, I bring it down to, I kind of gather it up at the base of the handle here. I grab the top of the spring steel, and with my left hand, I'm going to turn my left hand away, kind of forward and down, while turning my right hand back towards me a little bit. So just so you guys can see that, I'm kind of doing like that motion. Okay? That's going to twist that steel spring. I'm going to twist a little bit further, not too much, and I'm going to push gently, and as I do that, you can see that this spring now wants to collapse down into three like stacking rings. So let me show you guys that one more time. Gather it up at the bottom, grab, twist a little bit more and push, and this will collapse down nice and easy. From there, you can take the strap, reach it around and snap it closed, and then pop it either onto our sheath for your belt, or it can go into a backpack, it can go into glove box, anything like that, anywhere where this is going to need to pack down and store. This strap is going to hold that net very securely, even if it gets jostled around a little bit. Okay, a couple more little tips. So when this is open, one of the things that I see people do sometimes is once they get it twisted, they try to fold it closed. You want to avoid doing that. That'll put little kinks in your steel. You can bend those back out really easily, but remember, instead of folding, we're going to be pushing that net together for it to all collapse down into its minimal form here. There's a little bit of extra leather on the bottom of this strap. I like to bring that down and kind of gently hook it underneath that bottom spring while I attach that, and then I usually try to just center that strap a little bit in the middle of this, just to make sure that it's on there nice and tight. Those are just little troubleshooting things. You're not going to have any issues with this, though, working as intended. If you haven't checked out one of these yet, go find the link in the description of this video. Go check out these collapsible nets. We're so happy to be working with the Handy Pak Net Co and making their nets compatible with our Strap Snap system. You can find more information about it at the website daggerfishgear.com. All right, thanks.